This is one of the most affordable new builds in Las Vegas. This is Heartland Bay. We are touring the 1865 square foot model. This is the 4-bedroom unit. Price will be at the end. Now, just as you walk in, you notice the tile flooring, the granite counters, beautiful kitchen. Love that island. Let's go take a quick peek upstairs. Just as you get to the top of the stairs, you'll notice there's a large loft. Who doesn't love an upstairs loft? It's a nice bonus area, great for entertaining or a nice play area for the kids. That is the upstairs shared bathroom. This is bedroom number 1. All of these bedrooms were kind of that standard size for spare bedrooms. There's bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. Let's go take a quick peek at the primary bedroom. But first, there is the laundry area. Keep in mind that with DR Horton, all appliances come with the unit. All of the primary bedrooms in this community are nice size. This is no exception. This is the primary bathroom. Pause to read the fees for this community. This community is actually the closest one to being sold out. There's only 36 units left. Can you believe a home of this size is priced from the low 400s? Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit us up with any questions. We're here to help.